Hi, welcome to my brand new channel, Happy Organized Life. I'm Emily and I blog at happyorganizedlife.com, and I am very excited that you found me. I would love to say that now that you've found my channel, you are only 2 to 3 videos away from finding out all the secrets to living the happiest and most organized life ever. But the truth is that this name is a little more aspirational. This is a journey that I personally am on right now, and I'm going to be sharing that here. I am the mother of 5. We had our youngest is only 13 months, so we have a lot of noise and chaos in our house, and it can be hard to stay on top of things. I'm not one of those born organized people. I'm not the best at, I can organize a space. It's the maintenance that kills me. It's the keeping up with it. It's the reminder that organizing is not like a one and done time task. It's something that you do and then you have to keep doing every single day. So that's what I'm going to be sharing here. I'm going to be giving you an inside look at home with a ton of kids and a somewhat frazzled mom who's just trying to keep it all together. And hopefully we will be able to share an awesome transformation from beginning to end. Starting this channel is definitely an act of optimism. The only reason I'm sharing it is because I think that, one, other people will be able to relate, because I know there are other people out there who feel overwhelmed, don't know kind of how their homes have ended up the way they have, and they want to get a handle on things again. So I know there are going to be people out there who can relate to that part of my journey. And then I'm also hopeful that sharing these videos and sharing kind of my process and whatever comes up in the meantime will help to keep me accountable and on track and help me get this place whipped into shape. I'm going to be starting a group challenge soon. We'll be doing different challenges here on the channel and on Facebook and on the blog. And you can find links to those things in the comments below. I'm very excited and a little nervous to get started, but I know that there are going to be people out there who can relate to what I'm going through. And I hope that this gives you some comfort that you're not alone, and also maybe inspires you to do some decluttering around your house. So if you'd like to follow along or even join in the challenges, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!